Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is an unboxing video. So I really wanted to do like my type of favorites jewelry to wear, because I do like jewelry. I do like beaded accessories. You guys know that my mom has a jewelry and bead business that I love to rock her pieces, but this company reached out to me and wanted to send me one of their jewelry pieces, and I was going to incorporate that in a favorites video, but after receiving the package and reading the story behind the business and the cards and everything that's in the box, I felt really compelled to do a separate video showcasing this company and showcasing their products. So the company is called Sacet. I hope I have pronounced that properly. It might be Sacet, I don't know, but this is what it is. And the packaging came in a really nice brown box, and obviously I've done an unboxing on my Instagram, so it's not as laid out as it was when I received it. And inside the box you get a little envelope thing that which I'll come back to. Ooh. Oops. You get some stuffing, and you get a nice duster bag. So the duster bag is obviously not for the jewelry piece, because jewelry piece is quite small, but it's a nice big duster bag size, and it says Sacet, and it's got pull strings to pull it, and it's got their logo on the back. Jewelry piece comes in this gorgeous little box that says the company on it, and that's what it looks like. Nice white, good quality packaging. And then when you open it, you can see the little accessory. It's a necklace with a pendant on it. So before I tell you guys which one it is, I'm just gonna talk to you guys about what actually blew me away about the company. So when I received this little envelope thing that just has some information in it, I thought I was just gonna say, oh, thank you, Medea J, you know, the good stuff. But then when I open it, it's got the thank you on one side, and then it's got these little cards on the inside. Now these cards is what actually brought a little bit of tear to my eyes, because the cards represent all the people that had a hand in making that jewelry piece. So this card, for example, it says, "Hey, I'm Rajesh, and he grew up in," I can't pronounce where, but it's in India. He's a jewelry plater. It talks about why he chose the jewelry industry, what his dream is. His dream is actually to earn enough money to buy his own house and buy a car for his father. Do you know what I mean? Like, how personal can you get with a jewelry piece? And then he talks about what hand he had in the jewelry making, and it says that he plated the jewelry. Like, that is amazing. And then I've got this one, says, "Hey, I am Tan May," and it says that he polished my jewelry. Again, it has a little bit of a description as to where he's from. Again, from India. Talks about all his family members, that all his family members worked in the jewelry field. He says he loves to play football, and his dream is to buy his own house and make his own workshop. I mean, and then we've got this guy, Ratikant. I'm really sorry if I'm butchering these names, but it says that he sets my stones. Now my specific jewelry piece doesn't have any stones, but it says his dream is to give the best education to his daughter and to see her as an engineer. And then it says he wishes to open his own grocery store one day. I mean, it's just so personalized. I just love it. And then the last one is called Pravin, and he filed my jewelry. And it says his dream is to reach manager's position with a better salary, to give the best education to his daughter, and to buy a car for his family. And these are legit, like, normal, every human being, everyday kind of small dreams that we all just kind of take advantage of. But he lives in India. He spent 12 years in the jewelry industry, and this is just him talking about his passion and his dream. And those cards are in this little pack. It has the company's logo at the back, and it's got the website. I think the touch is actually wonderful, so that really blew me away, and I decided to just do a separate video about it. So let's talk a little bit about the company, or the piece as well. So it says that the jewelry is made from recycled materials in an ethical and conscious way. It says they keep in mind the environment, the craftspeople, the designs, and obviously the customers. And these cards are to tell us about the craft people who made the jewelry piece. It also comes with a 2-year warranty card on there, which is brilliant, and it says that it covers 2 years warranty if you have any issues, or you need to repair it, or they'll be able to repair it or replace with a brand new product if they can't repair it. And then it says after your warranty, they'll be happy to take care of the jewelry repairs at a normal cost. So this is the warranty card that obviously I need to register my jewelry to keep. About the company, there's a little paragraph in the company's biography that actually is just amazing. It says that we believe that buying designer jewelry should be a truly beautiful experience, one that enables you to to ravel in looking good, doing good, and feeling good. Some called us brave, some called us naive. Regardless, we set on a mission to move the jewelry industry towards a more sustainable approach focused on 3 things: people, planet, profit. Yes, in that order. We aim to transform the designer jewelry industry in 3 beautiful, simple ways. Which I actually think, as in, the more I read about the company, the more I'm really touched about their vision and why they're using low-cost material, recycled material to make these products. Is obviously not because they don't want to make money or they want to save cost or anything. It's just their vision. They want to bring quality products to people at an affordable price. So I'm going to just talk to you guys about my piece. So my piece is called the Lugia Perched Butterfly Necklace, and I've got mine in rose gold. It is 18 carats. I'm reading from the website. It's 18 carats rose gold vermeil on sterling silver. Okay, I'm not sure what the inch size that they sent me is, but it comes in 16 inches, 18 inches, or 20 inches, depending on how tight you want it or how dropped you want it. So let's take it out of the box. I really like the packaging. I love the way it's presented and how it just sits nicely in there. It's very delicate, so it looks quite long, so it might be the 20 inches. So this is what it looks like. And I chose the rose gold color because I'm really in love with the color. I love the chain. I love the quality of the chain. And it just feels delicate. It feels like, those, come back down. It feels like those pieces that you can layer. When you can layer jewelry and it looks really, really cute. That is what it looks like. And I actually think for £55 for an 18 karat rose gold on silver, I think it's rose gold vermeil on silver sterling piece, I think it's really nice. On the website it talks about the design. It says the pendant can be worn in 2 ways: either wear it upright and the pendant is an abstract heart, or invert and becomes a pair of folded butterfly wings perched on the end of the chain. Oh my god, that is so cute. It talks about the materials. It says it's 100% recycled silver. The packaging is made with eco-friendly materials, which is brilliant. It's hand finished and custom made in an artisan workshop to reduce their carbon footprint. and the products are certified in accordance with the Hallmarking Act of 1973. It also shows all the craftspeople on their page. Like, I'm so in love with this website. I'm so in love. So you get free shipping and returns within the UK. That's it. So I'll leave all the contact details for the company and the website down below, including a link to this piece that I have. I think it's absolutely stunning. Absolutely love the ethics behind the company. I love their approach. I love the touch of just telling us, giving us a little background story of all the people that had a hand in making my jewelry. I love the price points. Obviously I have to wear it for a couple of months to see how it holds up, but so far, from just feeling the quality of it, I think it's a really, really nicely made necklace with a gorgeous little butterfly abstract pendant. So yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. They do bracelets, earrings, necklaces, so do have a look and see if you guys like. Either way, let me know what you guys think. Have you heard of this company? What do you think of a company using recycled materials, being eco-friendly, watching their carbon footprint? Are you all for it? If you are, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.